Who are we and how do we work? Acoustic treatment was the last element of a professional music production chain to become affordable and available to any producer. Traditional methods and products have been ineffective for the modern music maker. We have more bass now. Every producer that chooses Kiss Your Ears will save at least 50% on their acoustic solution, period. We've noticed that most of our clientele ask the same 3 to 30 questions. We've already taken care of this in our FAQ. The revolution? We've made it all honest, affordable, and online. We've made better acoustic treatment available. They're engineered to be superior to anything else in the market, acoustically, aesthetically, and in terms of build quality. After all, acoustic treatment is a balancing game of acoustics, aesthetics, and function. We manufacture and sell the units in bundles substantial enough to deliver our industry standard setting results. We offer innovative services to support your room treatment project. We've removed all of the traditional markups and made all of the information available so that you can decide how far to take your sacred space. Help yourself to the research that we've made available. And if you get stuck, feel free to call or WhatsApp us on this number.